So, quick follow up on the back to school stuff. Last time we did a video, we did a composition book, but we did the black and white one. But just so you know, it's not just a black and white one for 50 cents. We have the colored ones. I'm in the store because every year corporate do back to school for all of the employees' kids, and so I end up having ship book and pencils. I know it's a great time to buy the book at 50 cents, but it's not time yet to buy the pencil. We buy the bags in a bulk. Of course, look at this. Because I choose to bring yours truly to the Walmart with me, and that's not a wise thing because she taught herself how to crochet on YouTube, and so she's been knitting some stuff, crocheting some stuff, and yeah, so I have a separate transaction over there done in our father money. So it go. But yeah, but yeah, we're getting the books for the staff, kids, and shipping them this week. The bags will be going out next week. By American School Start Back, the pencils and all the stuff will be on sale. But for now, we're just grabbing the books, as you can see. So the composition books come in different colors. The black and white one that you like, they don't longer have it at Walmart. They run out. As I tell you, I like to grab those when I see them because they're the first to go. Nostalgia. People are attached to the black and white ones for whatever reason, just nostalgic reasons. Walmart is busy today. It's crazy, hella crazy. All the lines them, as far as you can see, it's crazy in Walmart today. We're just trying to do the transaction and get out of here, and she's trying to don her father money, right? So sad she went and got more. What are you going to get more? Huh?
Because I need to complete the rainbow.
Complete the rainbow?
Yes.
Do you call this supporting your hobby? This is not supporting your hobby. This is taking advantage. You should bring your money when you come to Walmart.
No.
Yes.
No.
You're going to send your dad to the poorhouse. Look at that.
I'm so sorry for your bank account.
Sorry for my bank account. I'm sorry for you. Because there's going to be no money in it to buy you things that are essential if you keep buying things like this with the money.
You're supporting my hobby. What a good father.
What a good father. I'm a good father now, right?